guys, it's Gretchen and welcome back to my channel. Guess what time it is? That's right, it's time for another Stitch Fix video. So for this month, I kind of asked for an edgy rocker fall wardrobe. I kept asking for certain things and I'm like, this sounds like something that you'd see on someone at like a rock show or just anything in that capacity. So I was like, you know what? Make it fall, but edgy, because that's me. So this month, Blake Lindsay sent me 3 tops, a jumpsuit, and a pair of shoes. Now, let it be known that I am not keeping all 5 items, which is really sad, but also my wallet is thanking me. At this point, I am only keeping 2 of the items. I'm still on the fence about one of them, but that one, I wouldn't even keep what they sent me. I'd send it back and get a different size, but I still don't know how I feel about how it looks on me either way. Hopefully I'll put like an update in this video once I think about it a little bit more, but I'm still on the fence about it. So this is a very fall-esque box. I really like the 2 items that I am going to be keeping. 2 of the items, I tried to really like one of them, but I just couldn't like how it looked on me. So unfortunately I'll be sending that one back. But yeah, let's just go ahead and get into it. I'll start off with the ones that I am keeping, followed by the maybe, and then I'll end with the ones that I'm not keeping. So let's start off with the jumpsuit. This jumpsuit is by 41 Hawthorn, which if you've been watching my Stitch Fix videos for a while, you know I love them. And it is the Sandrine knit jumpsuit. So basically this is a solid black jumpsuit. It is short sleeves. It is long pants. Like it goes down pretty low, like past my ankle. And it does have this little kind of belt, this tie in the middle. It's elastic in the back. It's very flowy. I really like that. It has pockets, which is like its selling factor. And it's very comfortable. I really like this. I feel like I could even wear this to work. I could wear this for a night out. I could wear this casually. I really like this a lot. I've been looking for a good jumpsuit. Like I have rompers, but I need something for the fall that had like long pants, not necessarily a long sleeve, but had the long pants aspect to it. And that's what this has. So this is a size small. It retails for $78, which honestly, I don't think is bad at all. Again, I'm not well versed in jumpsuits, so I'm not entirely sure if that is good, but I think it sounds pretty good. I really didn't find anything that I didn't like about this. It does have a great deal of stretch to it, so if that's something that you really enjoy, maybe this jumpsuit would be for you as well. I do love that it's solid black because I feel like, you know, if I wanted to wear it to work, I could throw a cardigan on with it and it'd be a pop of color. I could throw any kind of jacket on with it. I could just go without anything around it because it is short sleeve, so it would work out really nicely. The neckline isn't that low. It's like a little bit lower than this, which is really nice. I really like this. I'm very happy with this. I can't remember if I pinned this and that's why she picked it up. It's really nice. I like it a lot. Plus it's by 41 Hawthorn, which is one of my favorite brands that Stitch Fix has. It's a pretty heavy quality fabric. It's not sheer at all, at least not that I saw. So if you're worried about like anything showing through, I didn't really get that from this. The next item that I'm keeping is by Fortune and Ivy. It's this really pretty green sweater. It is the Vicky brushed knit top in green, size small, and it retails for, what does it retail for? $44, which for Stitch Fix is pretty good. It's a very basic, lightweight sweater. It's a little loose. It does have a lot of give to it, little sheer, but I feel like with leggings, this could be really cute because it does dip down in the back. So if you notice, like in my try on video, you see that the front part is much shorter than the back part of it. It's got like this slit here on the sides. And as you can see, the back does go down much further than the front. There's really nothing special about this sweater. It's very soft, I will say that. It's just this really pretty shade of green that I'm pretty sure I don't own anything like in this shade. And so it's gorgeous. This will be good when it starts getting chilly, but it's not like full-blown cold outside, but also not still hot outside. So I'm looking forward to having an opportunity to wear this. It's far too hot in Virginia to wear it yet, because apparently Virginia has not gone on board with the fact that it is officially fall. I actually am just starting to think that's all of the United States because everyone else is complaining about it. But yeah, so not much to say about it, but it is very soft. I know myself included, some people are sensitive to sweater materials, and we worry that you know, it's gonna itch us or something because we do have sensitive skin. This is not the case. This is very soft, and I really like this one a lot. So I am gonna keep this. Now, on to the maybe item. This is a flannel button up top. You know me, you know my love for flannel and how excited I am to wear it and how it's not freaking cold enough yet. But this top is by Beach Lunch Lounge, which I'm pretty sure I don't have anything by them because I feel like I would have remembered that name. And it is the Charley button down top. I love everything about this top. Like, the colors in this shirt are some of my favorites. You have yellow, you have purple, you have navy. I love all three of those colors. Like, I am a huge sucker for navy. Black is my favorite color, followed closely by navy. I love everything about this top, but for some reason, it didn't love being on me. Now, you'll see in the try on video that it is definitely too big for me. It is a size small, and it does retail for $58, which is kind of standard for flannel these days, unless you go to Target, which is where I get most of mine. I want to love this top so stinking bad, but for some reason, I just felt like it didn't look good on me. And I don't know if maybe because it was too baggy, you know, maybe if it was a smaller size, would it look better on me? But for some reason, I just felt like it didn't look as good as it could on me. So that's why it's a maybe right now. I'll probably throw up some text at some point saying what my final decision is, because right now I really am up in the air on whether or not I'm going to keep it. But yeah, I just really want to like this. Like, I love everything about it as a piece, but it didn't love being on me, which is sad. Like I said, these colors are like amazing. I love yellows and purples and navies. I mean, it screams fall, but it didn't scream for me. The final two items I am definitely not keeping. There's nothing against these items. I really like these pieces, but they didn't look good on me. So that's the main reason why I'm not keeping them. So the first one is this arty style sweater. It's solid black, so I'm really upset about this. And it has lace. So I'm really upset that I'm not keeping this. So this is the Tonie lace insert pullover. Again, it's a very lightweight sweater, kind of like the green one. So there are a few things about this top that, I don't know, I just didn't like. One, there's like hardly any give to it, whereas that green one had a ton of give to it. This one does not. When I wear a sweater, I want it to have at least a smidge give. This hardly has any give. The second thing is the neckline. There's like this weird mesh part at the top, and I don't know, to me it just feels like it was meant to be cut off. Like, it looks very strange that it's up there. I know it's supposed to be part of the sweater, but for some reason it just makes me think that it was supposed to be cut off because it connects to the lace part underneath. There's like this little insert at the bottom of the sweater, and so if you lift up the sweater part, you can see it. Or if you take to the zipper over here on the side, which serves no purpose other than to be detail, you can see it. You can see like the little lace insert. You'll see me try it on in the video. Kind of hard to see in this video. I mean, if you've been watching my Stitch Fix videos for a while, you know my love for lace. So I'm very upset that I'm not madly in love with this one. And then like its final thing is it's not the softest. Like, at touch, it is, but when I put it on, it felt like it was irritating my skin some. Unlike the green sweater that just felt super soft and cozy, this one, I would probably wear it to work and then immediately take it off. Like, I wouldn't wear it out and about because it just felt weird on my skin. Does that make any kind of sense? I really wanted to like this top a lot, mostly because it's solid black, it's got lace, I mean, it's got everything about it that I should love. And on top of that, it just didn't look good on me. Like I said, this is by Arty Style. It is in a size small. It is $68, so my bank account is gonna be happy that I'm not keeping these. There are just too many things about it that I was picking on that I just can't justify keeping it for that reason alone. And the final item that I am not keeping are actually a pair of shoes. Now, I had asked, send me a pair of shoes. I wanted some heels that would be great for fall. I really wanted closed-toed heels. I did get open-toed ones. I've got a ton of open-toed heels. I really wanted closed-toed ones. I didn't specify that, I don't think, in my note, so maybe next time I will. But there are a few things about these shoes that I don't like. So these are by Market and Spruce, which also pains me that I'm not keeping them because I love everything by them. And it is the Riley Cutout Suede Heeled Booty. First of all, they just didn't look good on my feet. Like, you'll see in the video, maybe that's just me, but I honestly didn't think they looked that great on my feet. I don't like my feet in general. So maybe that's just me picking on myself, but I didn't like it. I also don't really like these buckles. Like this is how it snaps closed on your foot. They were a pain in the butt to try and snap shut. So I don't really like that. Again, I wanted closed-toed because I do have quite a few open-toed ones. I just don't like them as much as I do the closed-toed ones. And then something that Blake did add into her note as kind of like a PS. These shoes are leather. Is that a no-no? That is definitely a no-no for me. I think I had asked for like a faux leather skirt if she had one. And so I'm assuming that's where she got the idea of no leather, but I'm gonna try anyway. Disclaimer, I do own things that have leather in them, mostly because I got them years ago. Like I have Teaks. I don't know if any of you out there know the Teaks flat shoes, but I have several pairs of those that I got well before my weight loss surgery. So it's been a hot minute. Am I gonna get rid of them? No. They're already in my possession. I already paid for them. I'm gonna keep them, but I'm not gonna add any more to what I have. So these are going back based on that, but they also just don't look good on my feet. So that kind of made me feel better because I was so afraid that I was gonna be like, oh my God, they're so cute, but they're made of leather and I don't wanna do that. While they are cute, they just didn't look good on my feet. There's other things about it. So these are a size 8. I fluctuate between a 7.5 and an 8. I think this sizing wise, 8 was good for these. I really wanted closed-toed, but I didn't specify that, so that was my bad. And they are leather, so if you yourself are interested in them, but you're like me and you don't want to add any more leather products to your collection or your wardrobe, not the booties for you. I'm not sure if I said it already, but these retail for $80. So based on just the 2 items that I'm for sure getting, my total comes to $122. The entire thing, if I got all 5 items, it would come to $328. The 25% discount would take off $82. It would bring it down to $246. So I am still saving a little bit of money. If I add the top into it, that would be $180. I honestly think I'm not going to. As much as I love it, I don't think I'm going to. So my grand total, more than likely, will come out to $122. However, I do have credit of $50 thanks to 2 people who signed up with my link. Like, thank you so much for that. I truly appreciate it. Which will bring my total down to $72, which is phenomenal because that's cheaper than the jumpsuit on its own. So I think that's how it's gonna play out. As much as I do like that plaid top, I'm not even sure going down a size would look better on me. It's just, it's a sad thing, but. So I do think it's just gonna be those 2 items, just the green sweater and the jumpsuit. I'm for sure sending back the black pullover and the shoes. That plaid was up in the air, but I think the more I talk about it, the more I'm convincing myself not to get it. So I think that's how that's gonna play out. Let me know in the comments below what items you liked. If you liked any of the items that I'm not keeping, let me know. They didn't sit well with me, but they might for someone else. Let me know what item you like the best. It's okay if it's one of the ones I'm not keeping. These are going on me, or these would be going on me. So trying to be a little bit better about my spending habits and not buy all 5 items just because I'm that way. But that is it for this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a big ol' thumbs up. Go on down there and hit that subscribe button wherever it may be, because I don't know, even though I do. This is just my shtick now. Also hit that notification bell in case you want to know when I upload, and in case YouTube wants to let you know when I upload, because I would really appreciate it. And until next time, bye guys.